Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can change the trigger in a flow on Klaviyo. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home dashboard. From there, click on the Flows tab on the left side. You'll see a list of your flows. Find the flow you want to edit, then click on it. Now, look for the three dots next to the flow name and click on Clone. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your cloned flow. Give it a clear name so you can remember it later, then click Continue. Now, in the cloned flow, find the trigger section at the top. You can drag and drop to change the trigger or select a different one. For example, you might change it from sending an email to sending an SMS. Once you've made your changes, click Clone Flow at the bottom. It may take a few moments to process. After that, you'll see a notification pop up at the top confirming your trigger has been successfully changed.